Nearly 3,000 tons of ammonium nitrate taken from a ship off the coast of Beirut 6 years ago and then stored in a warehouse has been blamed for the explosion that ripped through the port area of the Lebanese capital on Tuesday. But what is ammonium nitrate and why can it be so dangerous? Ammonium nitrate is a crystal-like white solid which is made in large industrial quantities. Its biggest use is as a source of nitrogen for fertiliser, but it is also used to create explosives for mining. You won't just find ammonium nitrate in the ground, explains Andrea Sella, professor of chemistry at University College London. That's because it's synthetic, made by reacting ammonia with nitric acid. How dangerous is ammonium nitrate? On its own, ammonium nitrate is relatively safe to handle, says Prof Sella. However, if you have a large amount of material lying around for a long time, it begins to decay. The real problem is that over time it will absorb little bits of moisture and it eventually turns into an enormous rock. This makes it more dangerous because if a fire reaches it, the chemical reaction will be much more intense. How dangerous are the gases produced? When ammonium nitrate explodes, it can release toxic gases including nitrogen oxides and ammonia gas. The orange plume is caused by the nitrogen dioxide, which is often associated with air pollution. If there isn't much wind, it could become a danger to the people nearby, says Prof Sella. It used in bombs? With such a powerful blast, ammonium nitrate has been used by armies around the world as an explosive. It has also been used in several terrorist acts, including the Oklahoma City bombing in 1995. In that instance, Timothy McVeigh used 2 tons of ammonium nitrate to create a bomb which destroyed a federal building and killed 168 people.